Yes. Good afternoon and welcome to all. The outset, I do apologize for the inconvenience we made just now about the power supply. Then I take this opportunity to thank Sri Atul, Bira, Honorable Border Protection and Development Minister, Assam.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The approval of both chief ministers at that time, so we cannot call you at the right time. So once again, I do apologize. Then, on behalf of Goodwill Mission, I do thank to the media people. Then, fortunately, we can reach the conclusion for this session, for this mission. So, I do request our Honorable Minister Atul to read out our final statement.
Dear friends from media, I am delighted to be back in this beautiful state. As you know that I, along with our senior officials, came to Mizoram. We met you, probably met you in our last visit. It is a Goodwill visit. We are meeting for the first time the Home Minister of the newly elected government. And before this meeting, both the Chief Minister met in Guwahati on 9th of February 2024. Our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanto Biswa Sharma, he initiated the discussion with the neighboring states, including Mizoram, to resolve the long-pending border issues with the neighboring states. Since then, a series of discussions have been taken place. Series of discussions were held, and the outcome have been also very, very positive. I think you are all aware of that. Assam and Mizoram have shared Aizawl brotherly relations, people-to-people connections, and common values. I extend my gratitude to the government of Mizoram for the welcome, for the warm welcome. Especially, I would like to offer my heartiest thanks to the Honorable Home Minister and his colleagues for the hospitality accorded to our delegation from Assam. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanto Biswa Sharma, the government of Assam, and the people of Assam, I offer heartfelt greetings to the Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram, Sri Laldoamaji, and our brothers and sisters in this stunning hill state. As you all know that an unfortunate incident took place in 2021, Assam Mizoram interstate border, along the Assam Mizoram interstate border. We initiated a Goodwill Mission to Aizawl on August 5th, 2021, paving the way for amicable discussion. We held two video conferences before our second Goodwill Mission on August 9, 2022, which was reciprocated by Mizoram's Goodwill Mission on November 16, 17, 2022. Today, I will read out. Before read out, I must say something. That today we engaged in detailed discussion on the interstate border issues. I sincerely thank the government of Mizoram for their commitment to resolving these decades-old issues amicably. I hope today's meeting will provide the necessary momentum towards finding solutions, ushering in all-round development and lasting peace along interstate border areas. I must say that this meeting was very, very positive. We are very much hopeful with this meeting. Now I would like to read what we have discussed in today's meeting. We have adopted some resolutions. So let me read out the resolutions of the meeting. This is joint statement, 9th August 2024. This statement is signed between the government of Mizoram, represented by Sri A. Sapdanga, Honorable Home Minister, Mizoram, and the government of Assam, represented by Sri Atul, Minister, Border Protection and Development Department, Assam, at State Guest House, Aizawl, Mizoram, on 9th of August 2024. It is reaffirmed that the Goodwill Mission between the government of Mizoram and the government of Assam held on 9th August 2024 at Aizawl, Mizoram, is to take forward the firm commitment and initiative made in a meeting on 9th February 2024 between the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram for resolution of the interstate boundary dispute in an atmosphere of understanding and goodwill between the two states. 2. Both the states agreed to continue to promote and maintain peace and harmony and prevent any untoward incidents along the interstate border. Joint cultural and sports festival may be organized at frequent intervals by concerned administrative authorities of the interstate border districts of Mizoram and Assam to start before 31st January 2025. Both the states reaffirm the decisions of the joint statesmen of all the previous meetings to arrive at an amicable resolution on the vexed border issues. It has been decided that all pending discussions and decisions to be made on the issue and other connected matters shall be taken up by officials of both the state governments. This will be followed by a series of meetings to be held at venues decided by both officials. It was further decided that next ministerial level meeting will take place in Guwahati, Assam, before 31st March 2025. Both sides reaffirmed their commitment to continue sustained zero tolerance policy against transportation of smuggled areca from other countries. Deputy Commissioners and Superintendent of Police of both states shall continue to have regular meetings to promote peace and harmony along the interstate border. Such meetings may be held virtually this month and in person every 6 months. The delegations jointly agreed that the cooperation of the people living on both sides of the states is extremely crucial for a peaceful solution of border disputes. The general public and all stakeholders are expected to bring any differences on border issues to the appropriate authorities without taking law into their own hands. It is signed by Home Minister Mizoram Pu K, Sapdanga, and Minister Border Protection and Development Department, Atul. And this meeting, and from Assam side, Gyanendra Deputy Party, Principal Secretary, Border Protection and Development Department, is present. Prabhati Thausen IS, Secretary, Border Protection and Development Department, and Shubhalakshmi Deka, Director, Border Protection and Development Department, Dasrath Deka, Consultant, Border Protection and Development Department, and Jagannath Bora, Research Officer, Vinod Kumar Nath, Program Manager. And from Mizoram side, Honorable Home Minister K. Sapdanga, Honorable Minister of State, Land Revenue B. Lalchan Jawab, Shri Venil Mauya, Home Secretary, Shri Joseph H. Larnam Sangha, Additional Secretary, Home Department, Shri John L. T. Shanga, MCS Joint Secretary, Home Department, Shri P.C. Lal Ranga, MPS, Joint Secretary, Home Department, Shri Lalthiam Sangha, Silo, MPS Commandant, 2nd IRBN, and Member Secretary, Study Group, Shri David S. Lathangliana, MPS Superintendent of Police, Balasun District, Dr. Joseph A. Lalphakjwala, Assistant Professor Government, T. Ramana College and Convener Study Group, Shri C. Lalphak Mauyua, MPS OSD Under Secretary, Home Department. Thank you.